Hello, it's a long awaited day, July 30th. We have all been waiting for this day to claim our AVACoin. So, AVACoin has been launched and you can actually claim your token. Now, follow me as I show you step by step how you're going to claim your token. This airdrop has finally landed. So do not miss it. Do not miss it. Do not miss it. You have waited for so long just to miss it. Okay. So I'm going to walk you down through the whole processes, the steps that is needed. It's just in a few steps. It doesn't take time. You won't wait a lot of time, and you're just going to claim this token. You claim this airdrop, and then we all will smile. So walk down with me and follow me step by step while I show you how you can claim your Avacoin token today. Now, now. So go straight to your Telegram app. Yeah, as I'm watching you right now. Open your Telegram app. Open your Telegram app. Okay, let's do that. All right. In our Telegram app. So when you open your Telegram app, you go straight to Avacoin, right? So when you open this Avacoin, you can see Avacoin successfully launched today, being July 30th. Avacoin has been launched, so you can claim your token today. Okay, now in order to do that, let's go straight to the point. So you're going to be seeing here that you'll be needing a network fee. You'll be needing a network fee. So if you do not have ton, you can actually buy this ton, just $0.3 to give you 0.05 ton that will be used in claiming this airdrop. So do not allow all these months you've been tapping and clicking to just go that way. So if you've already gotten your ton, now let's go straight to claim this. You click on this go token table. So you can see here we are now in this dashboard. Once you've clicked on that button, it will bring you to this place. You will see this pop up. So first of all, currently it wastes time, right? So it's going to bring out just your normal dashboard. But when you see your normal dashboard, don't be scared. Just hold on for it. Wait for some minutes. It's going to pop up this stage. So once you're having this page now, you will now click on this start button here. Click on the start button. Okay? Just follow me and be patient with it. You know, a lot of persons are trying to access this right now. So it's actually having delay and network issues at the same time. So just hold on and be patient with it. I didn't actually know I'll be claiming this as well, because when I tried to access it before, it wasn't giving me what I was expecting. It wasn't showing the start button. So I thought maybe I had issues with the app or even my account. I've even gone to check different settings for my network, APN settings, but still nothing helped. But somehow I just said, let me just hold on a bit for it. And lo and behold, I came back here and clicked the start button of Avacoin, and it popped up this, and then I waited a bit for it, and as you can see, it brought out the page I've been waiting for. So we're going to just be patient with it. So here we are. You're going to accept these terms of use. So click on this box, check it, and then click on next. So you can see now you have to connect your wallet. So please, the wallet you're connecting here should be the same wallet you connected in your Avacoin. The time they were connecting wallet in Avacoin, connecting wallet to Tokenkeeper app or whatever app you used, that particular wallet you connected, please, that is the same wallet you're going to use now to connect here. Okay, so click on the connect wallet, and then you can see me, I made use of Tokenkeeper, so I'm going to select Tokenkeeper, and it should take me to Tokenkeeper app. So whatever app you made use of when you were connecting your wallet to Avacoin. That is the same app you're going to use to connect this one in order for you to claim your Avacoin token. Don't make this mistake. Don't go and use another wallet. If you created extra wallets in your Tokenkeeper, go immediately and check if the wallet that is currently there is the one you used to connect your Avacoin. If it is not that one, please switch it to the one that you made use of, okay, so that you will not have issues. So once it pops up this, click on the connect wallet and then you're going to verify it. So you can see it is done. It is done. So it's going to be taking some coin, some ton coin from this. Remember I said that you should have at least 0.05 ton. So once you've connected that, you're going to click on select the particular Telegram app you're making use of, select it, and it should take you back to Telegram, right? It should take you back to Telegram. That is for you to confirm that you've actually connected this in order for you to claim this. So wow, you can see this now, you can see it. So we are here, and the next thing for us to do is click on this claim now, so that's it. We're going to sign in this wallet now. We're going to sign in the wallet again in Tokenkeeper for us to confirm this allocation. Okay, it's saying insufficient funds in wallet to be paid 0.19 ton. Your balance, something is wrong here. 0.19. I actually have 0.12. Okay, so guys, I'm going to top up my ton. As it is showing here, I do not have enough ton. My ton cannot claim this, so I'm going to add ton to this. And once I do that, if yours is enough, once it gets to this point, you're not going to see this recharge battery. You just see sign wallet, okay, and you quickly sign it, and you're going to see your Avacoin token there. It's very simple to do. So that is how you claim your Avacoin token. If you like this video, if you like what I just showed you, please do well to subscribe to this channel and share this video. Bye.